Hey guys, what's up? Um, Welcome to a new section I've got called 15-minute trades, where we're going to do a live trade in 15 minutes. And in those 15 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and read you some crypto news on what's going on in the space, what we got going on, some kind of tips and tricks. So let's go ahead and get into it. Today I'm going to be trading Ethereum. I'm on the 1 minute scale because we're scalping a quick 15-minute trade. Looks like we just bounced off this volume area high, and I think we're going to come down to this point of control or potentially the volume area low. So let's go ahead and enter the trade. We're going to click down here, get our trade going, and today I am going to buy, let's go with 33 Ethereum. We're going to enter a market trade right here, and let's go ahead and get into it. Set a timer for 15 minutes. All right, we're in our trade now. I got the timer set. We're ready to rock and roll. We're in our trade. I'm going to go ahead and move that down a little bit. We're going to zoom into this guy, and let's see what's going on. Russia central bank raises its key rate as war overheats economy. That's kind of crazy to think about. You know, war's good for money, that's for sure. Google says Alphabet stock tanks 3% as OpenAI unveils search engine Search GPT. Let's check that guy out. Google shares dive 3% on Thursday. OpenAI AI rolls out a new search engine. Bad week for Alphabet investors. Week of unfortunate events for Google wiped out nearly 9% of its value, a failed takeover attempt, earnings let down, and now this. Shares of Google and Alphabet sank 3.1% Thursday after another batch of bad news knocked the share price. Investors will still digest the underwhelming earnings report for the second quarter when ChatGPT parent OpenAI blasts its new project, search engine Search GPT. Have you guys heard of Search GPT? I haven't heard of that yet. Give me a break. Google probably after got hit with news that OpenAI finally rolled out its potential archival earlier that day. The Alphabet stock dipped 5%. I'm not really invested in Google or Alphabet, but let's get to the lowdown of Search GPT. Still a prototype, OpenAI's search engine aims to give new users a way to search information online in a more natural, intuitive way. Follow-up questions will be possible, just like you would in a conversation. The company plans to eventually integrate into its game-changing chatbot ChatGPT. All right. Well, Search GPT, I might want to check that out. What else do we got going on here? Singapore Central Bank keeps policy unchanged for fifth straight time. Yeah, China be doing China stuff, man. China be China in. Uh, Nestle trims sales guidance amid challenging pricing environment. Yeah. What else we got? Oh, this sounds like a good one here. Trump pledges to fire Gary Gensler on day one and establish strategic U.S. Bitcoin reserve if reelected. Oh, yeah, we're reading this. All right. Republican president candidate Donald Trump took over the stage at the Bitcoin conference. That's in Tennessee right now. I think it just ended, and mapped out a plan for crypto policies if he wins in November against the Democratic Party presidential nominee Kamala Harris. In statements that led to a strong outburst of of cheers from the crowd of Bitcoiners who waited for over an hour to hear the ex-POTUS speak. Trump vowed to show U.S. crypto villain Gary Gensler, boo, the door on his first day in office. So Trump's saying, hey, my first day, I'm firing Gary Gensler to build a strategic Bitcoin stockpile for the United States. That is a great move, and I don't understand why we're not building a stockpile, especially from all that Bitcoin that they stole from the Silk Road. Trump says he will remove Gary Gensler. The former U.S. President Donald Trump has announced that in his intention to fire Gary Gensler, the current SEC chairman, his first day in office. Speaking in a packed hall Saturday at the Bitcoin conference in Nashville, the self-declared crypto candidate recognized Gensler's unpopularity within the cryptoverse and indicated that appointing a new SEC boss would be an important step in his strategy to support the fast-growing crypto industry. I am all for that. Get Gary out of here. Boo, Gary. He's so two-faced. He wanted to give, MIT classes on how great Bitcoin was and then just changed his mind right away. Like, kick rocks, Gary. The moment I'm sworn in the persecution stops. The weaponization ends against your industry. I will appoint a new SEC chairman who believes that America should build the future and not block the future. Couldn't have really said it better, you know what I mean? That's the goal, right? The United States needs to be way more involved in that. He also said he would appoint a Bitcoin and Crypto Advisory Council. Ooh, vote for me for that. That sounds great. Many at the event welcomed Trump's announcement. Industry pundits have often blamed Gensler for the SEC's ongoing enforcement actions against many crypto companies, including Ripple, Kraken, Coinbase, and Binance. Yeah, they're trying to sue everybody, and I think Gary is actually trying to, do something with Ethereum as well. What else do we got? Although Gensler's term in office is scheduled to end in June 2026, a change in environment, either with Trump or Kamala Harris, could lead to Gensler leaving the industry. That dude's rich as it is. Like, why is he even working? He's so loaded. Like, why even have a job? Vision for America as Bitcoin superpower. Trump also intends to refashion the U.S. into the world's leading crypto capital if he wins the November election. We need that, you know what I mean? Like, we have good power. We need to have more mining farms here. We need to have more regulation. Some of y'all know how hard it is just to enter an exchange without KYC or without using a VPN. And it would be great if I could just, use a US-based platform to trade and, write my wins and losses off or pay taxes on those. He reiterated that the U.S. must lead in crypto or risk China and other countries dominant. That's so true. China's manufacturing all the Bitcoin mining machines, and then they're having first dibs, and I agree with that. The former president further announced that he would not allow the U.S. to sell any of the 213,000 BTC worth roughly $14.5 billion, which the government has held since past seizures. Okay, that's what I was bringing up earlier about all the seized Bitcoin from the Silk Road. As a final part of my plan, today I am announcing that if I'm reelected, it would be the policy of my administration, the United States of America, to keep 100% of all the Bitcoin in the U.S. government that the U.S. government currently holds or acquires in the future. I hope you do well. Like, that's awesome. I kind of want to watch that speech. I haven't seen much about the Bitcoin convention in Nashville. I know a couple of people in my discords and stuff got to go, but I'm stuck working my 9 till 5 till this pays out, so stuck at work. If he returns to the White House, Trump would transform the U.S. into a Bitcoin superpower. Man, that sounds amazing. I am laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet, Trump told the over 3,000 attendings. He further spoke favorably about safeguarding the Bitcoin mining industry. I will be the pro innovation and pro Bitcoin candidate that America needs and our citizens deserve. Yep, we need that. BTC price wobbles. While the conference attendees were jazzed, crypto prices saw some wild swings as traders digested the remarks of the 45th president of the United States. We did have a lot of volatility on Saturday, which is, great for traders. But in the end, we still ended up moving sideways. We recovered from that dip. Just before the freewheeling speech, Bitcoin soared to a high of 69.3 on Saturday. However, the price swiftly plummeted to 66.6 before rebounding to 66 or 67.6. Yeah, we're just moving sideways. It's not that serious. We just saw some volatility real quick, and we were moving sideways. $1.1 billion of Dogecoin in the last 24 hours. What's going on? XRP prediction. Hong Kong will explore adding Bitcoin to its financial reserves. We need to be doing that, not Hong Kong. I don't want to read that. Solana confirms upside breakout with a bullish pendant. Here's the target 3 hours ago. Let's check out what's going on with Solana. Here we go. Solana continues to showcase a positive price movement as it outperforms the rest of the market. This recent surge in value allowed Solana to surpass Binance BNB. Okay, so Solana passed BNB in this last week as far as the market capitalization went, making a significant milestone for the digital asset. I was unaware that Solana surpassed BNB. That's pretty exciting. Develop deeper into its performance, technical analysis suggests that Solana's bullish trend is likely to persist into the upcoming weeks. I love Solana, man. I want that guy to pump. Indicators point to a sustained momentum, which could see price continue to climb. The crypto analysis forecasted a substantial rally for Solana, projecting its price could be soar to high as $1,000. Oh my God, please, let's go to $1,000. Solana. You can donate to my Solana fund through the link in the bio. Bullish breakout for Solana. Technical analysis shared on a social media platform X by renowned crypto analysis Captain Febank. I don't know who that is, but I'm going to look him up after the stream. We're going to copy his name here. Has brought attention to a significant development in Solana's price. According to his analysis, recent price movements has caused Solana to break out of a bullish pendant formation on the weekly time frame. Oh, any kind of indicators on a weekly time frame? I'm into that. That means a big pump. For Solana, the formation of this pattern began with a strong price rally that started in August of last year, accumulating to the peak price above 200 in April. Following this peak, Solana entered a consolidation phase. What comes up must come down. We gotta, take our profits as they come. We can't be greedy. You gotta remember to take your profits, right? When you see the price pump, it's not gonna go up forever. Maybe you consider selling and buying back in at a later point, guys. This is so important that you take your money off the table, right? Solana is expecting a renowned bullish sentiment indicating that the consolidation phase might be ending. Cryptocurrency has recently surged the past $185 again, which is about where we're holding off, confirming the bullish pennant breakout identified by Captain Fabink. Fabink. Here's his Twitter. Let's see here. Sold bullish pennants, confirmed, massive bullish, and here's his drawing. There's the pennant right here, stopped right there. We form this wedge, and we could potentially see a breakout. All right. What's next for Solana? It's trading at 184, marking a 7% increase over the last 7 days. It could break out and lead to an extended rally for Solana as he set the price target of $1,000, which represents a 446% increase from its current level. Oof. While this seems ambitious, other crypto analysts have made similar projections amidst the bullish sentiment. Sol would need to break above various price levels. Yeah, of course, it's not going to just shoot up to $1,000. You know, we're going to have levels we're going to hit where the price will consolidate again, and we'll continue to move in that. Basically, he's just saying, hey, a lot of more people are buying Solana. A 38% increase. Ooh, there's our timer. Let's finish this up. 30% increase from its 1.4 million. Yeah, we're done. Solana's gonna pump to the moon, baby. All right, let's see how we're doing on our trade. Oof, we got a little. What the heck? Did I enter a long on accident? Oh my god. That's hilarious. Apparently I accidentally entered a long, and now I am down $146 instead of being up $146. Oh my gosh. I called it too. Look at me enter. Here's my entry point where I entered, tapped that volume area high again, dumped right down to the point of control. Damn, that's all right. We're closing our trade out. We're going to go ahead and close that position, and we're going to take the L. Oh, well, you get it. It'll happen. Maybe next time I should pay more attention, but this has been my first video. I'm calling it 15-minute trades, where I'm doing live trades and reading the cryptocurrency news. My name is David. Hope you guys have a great week ahead of you, and good luck. See you later. Peace.